3 months ago, I had the blazing opportunity to work with Netflix and promote their show Enola Holmes. I did a conceptual video dressed as Enola in a 17th century mansion, and this is what we shot.
Now, where to begin? My mother named me Enola, which backwards spells alone. And yet, we were always together. A week ago, I awoke, Mother, to find that my mother was missing, and she did not return. The game is afoot.
If I have to stay hidden from my brothers,
I must become something unexpected. A lady. 'Tis I. I'm coming to find you, Mother.
So here's a little BTS video to show you what the day looked like. Good morning, guys. Today is the 29th of December, almost the year end, and we are headed to a very, very special shoot. This is the second edition of recreation of a crazy Netflix series, and I have Miss Aishwarya again. She shot Queen's Gambit with me, and I knew I had to trust her even with this one. This is going to be even more epic. Mom's also going to be there helping me out with the shoot. It's going to be intense. The location I've chosen is epic. We're going 2 hours away from North Goa, and it's this place called Chandor. Has a crazy mansion. It'll be the first time I'll be shooting in something so crazy and epic and expensive. Let's not forget that. Right now we are heading towards the place. It's 9 a.m. Need to finish the shoot in 5 hours. Let's see how that goes. Oh, did I mention we are shooting for Enola Holmes, which is an extreme level of epicness. I've said that like a million times now, but it's going to be so good. I can feel it, and since now this is the second time me and Aishwarya are working together, we're going to create some more magic. Like Aishwarya says,
the internet's not ready for this.
it's not. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, we have reached our location. It looks incredible, much better than what we thought it would be. This is the changing room. The changing room itself is so vintage and so photogenic. This is the mirror that I get ready in front of. There's no light though. There's not enough light. This is what's around. This is not even like 0.2% of what we're going to see. I am already dressed up as Enola. My outfit is literally just like hers. I got it stitched from a tailor who's done a fab job. I think it's crazy.
Ready? Yeah. Rolling. And action. Action.
We currently just finished shooting the establishing shot of the establishment of the character. And it looks so good. We are so happy. And now we are on to the second part where we have to show the Scrabble bit, like how she deciphers the Scrabble bit. Deciphers? Yeah, that's the right word, is it? Yeah, so that bit. So we're doing some over-the-shoulder shots. It's getting quite interesting because we are getting what we thought we would, and it's just fun to see your vision come to life. I'll do like this, and then you tell me change. Then I'll go.
Action. Sleep.
Oh my god, the shots we are getting are so insane. The shot we just got is crazy. The light is amazing. The colors are perfect. You know, we should be hired.
Netflix should hire us full time.
Yeah, I'm literally dying in this corset. The corset I'm wearing is an actual 18th century corset. I mean, it's not that old, but it's the actual corset. It's what people wear with like really tight waist. This is not my waist. This is cinching my waist so much. So this house was built in the 17th century, and it's super old and belongs to the Braganza family here in Goa. It's in the southern part of Goa. It's so pretty. Like, I would love to stay here, but it's like really antique. That's the beauty of this place actually. Look at this place, man. It's so vintage. Hello. Now this room is the ultimate room with all these chandeliers. It's so pretty.
Action. No, cut. Ready? Rolling. Action. Okay, now stay there. Come here, close to the window. Action. Action. Rolling. Action. Action. Holding and then with this now. Action.
Next up, we're doing Enola's fighting scene. So I'm going to be like a stunt person right now. Never ever even attempted to do something like this, but let's see how that goes.
Action. 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 One more. Action. 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 And action.
Sir, when she falls around, the ultimate falling shot will be here.
Action. Action.
Okay, I'm going to keep doing, okay? You keep panning in and out.
Action. And action. Action. Come. Rolling. And action. Rolling. And ready?
Yeah.
Full intense. Eyebrows intense. Rolling. Action. Action. See? Ready?
Yeah.
Rolling. And action. Go. And rolling.
Okay guys, so we're done with today's shoot, but I think I'm not going to leave the 1950s style behind. I am going to be dressing up like this for the rest of my life now because I think this is who I am. Alright, but what a productive day. We've had such a good time, right?
We had fun.
We were really tired, but we had fun. Now I need some coffee.
Yeah.
And I need to party. There's a party today, tonight.